Hello and welcome to another WordPress tutorial. My name is Alek and in this video I will show you how to add and edit a sidebar in WordPress. By the end of this video you will know how to add a sidebar to your blog page and all your posts and how to manage the content inside your sidebar. Right now I'm on my blog page at alekonline.com, the website I use for my WordPress tutorials. As you can see, this page doesn't have a sidebar, and if I click on any blog post, the posts also don't have a sidebar. The first step is to add a sidebar to my blog page. To do that, I will click on Customize. Under the Post Type section, select Blog Post, scroll down, and toggle this sidebar button to the right to add the sidebar. To save the changes, click on Publish. Now we want to add a sidebar to every post on our website. To do that, scroll up and click this back arrow. This time select Single Post. To see your changes, click on any post to the right. Under the Post Structure section, you will see two options for adding a sidebar to the left or to the right. You can select whichever you like, but I will use the sidebar on the right of every post for this tutorial. After you choose the sidebar position, click on Publish to save the changes. Another cool feature inside the Blocksy theme is to change the sidebar's design. To do that, go back and select Sidebar under the General options. You can choose between four types. I will pick the second one with a white background. If you want to change the background color, select Design, and under the background color, select the one you like the most. For example, I will choose this light gray color and click on Publish to save the changes. So far, we have added the sidebar to the blog page and each post. By default, it has 6 sections: the search box, the list of recent posts and comments, categories, archives, and meta, which can be easily changed. First, click this X sign on the top to close the customizer, and from your dashboard, hover over Appearance and select Widgets. A widget is another name for an element or a block that can be added or deleted from different sections of your WordPress website. Besides the main sidebar, you can add widgets or blocks to different footer sections. I have a separate video dedicated to how to customize your footer that you can watch after watching this video. The same way you use blocks to create your pages and posts is how you manage the sidebar content. If you remember, our current sidebar has 6 elements by default. The first one is the search box widget, and if you click on it, you can make the changes available in this horizontal menu. Play around by selecting different options, or if you don't want a search box on your sidebar, choose these 3 little dots and select Delete. If you change your mind or accidentally delete something, you can use the undo arrow at the top of the page. Clicking on any part of the sidebar opens its horizontal menu, allowing you to customize its final look. For this tutorial, I will change the font size to H4 for recent posts and categories, and delete the recent comments, archives, and meta sections. After you have made all your desired changes, don't forget to click on Update to save them. Now that all the changes are saved, I will return to my blog page to see how my sidebar looks. If I click on any blog post, the same sidebar will appear on the right-hand side of each post. And that's it! Now you know how to add and edit a sidebar in WordPress. If you think that this tutorial was worth watching and answered your question, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. For more WordPress tutorials like this one, check the link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.